This is oo.
Ooh.
Oo is a long sound. Long sounds are like other big sounds, but we say them for a long time. We make oo by putting our lips together, making them as small as possible, and sticking them forward. It's a little bit like monkey sound, but it makes it sound for a long time.
Ooh.
Oo's favourite letters are O-O. Oo loves to go into O-O. We can see it in words like moon, roof, room, pool, and lots more. Even though oo loves letters O-O, there are lots of letters that it sometimes likes to go into. Sometimes oo goes into U-I in words like fruit. It goes into O-E in words like shoe. U-E in words like glue. And E-W in words like screw. Oo is happy to go into lots of different letters. But even though oo sometimes goes into lots of different letters, its favourite is always O-O. The problem with this is that monkey sound loves to go into O-O as well. And sometimes it's hard to know if it is oo or oo in the words. In these words, oo likes to go into boot, and oo likes to go into foot. In these words, oo likes to go into tool, and oo likes to go into wool. There's no way to know if oo or oo are inside O-O in words, but it doesn't matter. Oo and oo are such good friends that they won't get upset if you read the wrong sound.